When you are solving multiplication problems where you are multiplying by 9, you can use the finger strategy to help you solve these problems. So to look at this, we are going to use the equation 4 times 9. So in this equation, you are multiplying 9 times 4. So 4 is the other number. So you're going to hold your hands up like this. Now you're going to start over here on this side, and you're going to count over 4 fingers because that's what the other number other than 9 is. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to put that finger down. Now, whatever amount of fingers is before the one that you put down is going to be in the tens place. So we have 3 fingers before, so there's going to be a 3 in the tens place in your answer. We have 6 fingers after the one that we put down, so that means that there's going to be a 6 in the ones place. So your answer to 4 times 9 is 36.